Everything was abuzz on Iowa Street this week as a beehive in a residential tree was taken down and moved. Shelby Gappa has more.
Summer is a beautiful time of year when the flowers are in bloom, birds are building their nests, and bees are buzzing. However, you may or may not want bees buzzing around your house. Earlier this week, a beehive was removed from a tree by a residential home on Iowa Street. The honeybees were discovered when a pesticide applicator came to take care of what the homeowner thought were wasps and discovered the hive. Though bees are typically docile and busy at work, they can sting. There are many benefits to having bees around. One great one is that when you know honeybees are nearby, wasp and sweat bees are not. Another fun bee fact is that a honeybee will visit 60 to 70 flowers in order to get all the honey they need for winter. In the summer month, a beehive can have more than 70,000 bees in it. However, each bee only lives about a month during the summer months by being very busy bees.
During the summer months, the bees only last a month. They work themselves to death, and that's one reason they're the symbol of industry, is because they just literally are hard workers.
Though bees are not on the endangered species list, it is important to conserve them.
There was a lot of bee loss here in Black Hawk County. Some people, 75% of their colonies were lost, which is significant. That interferes with the pollination that goes on in Black Hawk County. So when we get a hive like this, we want to conserve it, give it a new home, protect it, and hopefully make their life more happy.
City workers and local beekeeper Bob Freestone worked together to remove the hive. Starting around 5 a.m. Wednesday morning, Freestone covered the entrance to the hive so the bees wouldn't be swarming out and hurting the workers. The majority of the morning was spent by removing the tree limb from limb. Though trees can sometimes be saved, this tree was too hollow and rotted to keep. Once the tree was small enough, they moved it onto a trailer to take the bees to their new home at the Hartman Reserve Nature Center. Many may remember that last year, the Hartman Reserve took honeybees that were found on a residential property and created a home for them near their main building. This was the first time that Hartman ever had honeybees and planned various programs around them, like backyard beekeeping. However, due to the cold winter, they didn't survive. The Hartman is now hard at work removing the bees and their hive from the tree trunk and placing them in their new home. The Hartman Reserve Nature Center has expansion plans coming up, which does include an observation room where people can get an up-close inside look of a beehive. Reporting for Cedar Falls City News, I'm Shelby Gappa.
That's a story the whole city will be buzzing about. Thanks for that sweet report, Shelby. And remember, if you think you have a bee problem, to contact your local pest control.